magsampa na po ng impeachment complaint against Vice President Leni Robredo.
I won't allow. I won't.
Do you think, sir, may basehan po para ma-impeach nga po siya? What are your thoughts po?
Look, you know, we just had an election. Guys, lay off. Let's stop it. Can do other things, but do not tinker with the structure of government. I will not countenance it. Elected yung tao. So, why do you have to sit just because he keeps on harping on me? Yeah, this is democracy. It's freedom of speech. Kakatapos lang ng eleksyon, hagi mo sirayan bayan.
I've always been very vocal about certain issues I do not agree with. Halimbawa, extrajudicial killings, libingan ng mga bayani ni Presidente Marcos, yung presentation ng alleged na sex video, yung bringing back a death penalty, lowering of the age of criminal liability. I've always been very vocal about it. I've been very public with my statements. Pero if there's one thing naman na I'm grateful for, it appears that the President has not taken it against me. And he assured me. Sabi niya naman, ang mahalaga naman, nagkakaintindihan tayo sa mga gusto nating gawin. Sa akin kasi, reassuring yun in the sense na imposible naman yatang we will agree on so many things. Lalo na siguro ako na meron talagang mga issues na I feel so strongly against. And so far, I think my opinions and my feelings on these issues have been respected.